You need to hear this if you're a budding YouTuber. Whether you're just starting out or have been creating content for a while, understanding how to monetize your YouTube channel can be a game changer. Imagine turning your passion into a source of income. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's totally possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Here's how to monetize your channel fast. We're talking about practical steps you can take to start earning money from your videos as quickly as possible. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. First things first, what is monetization? You might have heard this term thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean for you as a content creator? It's where YouTube lets you earn money from ads, memberships, and super chats. Essentially, it's a way for you to get paid for the content you create. When you monetize your channel, ads will play before, during, or after your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. Additionally, you can earn money through channel memberships, where your loyal fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks, and super chats, where viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers, which means you need to build a solid audience base. This might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it's definitely achievable. 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, which means people need to watch your content for a total of 4,000 hours over the last year. This is where creating engaging and valuable content comes into play, and a linked AdSense account. Sounds tough? It might seem like a lot, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step so you can achieve these milestones without feeling overwhelmed. Let's break it down. The first step is to create engaging content. This is the foundation of your YouTube channel. Without engaging content, it's going to be difficult to attract and retain viewers. Create engaging content. This means content that is interesting, informative, entertaining, or a combination of all three. Think about what you enjoy watching on YouTube and what keeps you coming back to certain channels. Use that as inspiration for your own content. Pick a niche you love and stick to it. This is crucial because it helps you build a loyal audience who knows what to expect from your channel. Whether it's gaming, beauty, tech reviews, or cooking, choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Use high-quality thumbnails and catchy titles. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to your video. A good thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, which means more views and more watch time. Hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. If you don't grab your viewers' attention right away, they're likely to click away. Start with a strong hook that makes them want to keep watching. Then, promote your channel. Don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm to get your videos seen. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other platforms where your target audience hangs out. The more places your videos are seen, the more likely you are to gain new subscribers and increase your watch time. Share your videos on social media, engage with your community, and be active in the comments section. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. This not only helps with engagement, but also builds a loyal audience who will keep coming back for more. And collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations can help you reach a wider audience and gain new subscribers. Find other YouTubers in your niche and propose collaboration ideas that will benefit both of your channels. Optimize your videos for YouTube search. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, comes into play. By optimizing your videos for search, you can increase your chances of being discovered by new viewers. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Think about what your target audience is searching for and include those keywords in your video metadata. This will help your videos rank higher in search results. Create detailed descriptions and add timestamps. A well-written description can provide more context about your video and help with SEO. Timestamps can also improve the viewer experience by allowing them to jump to specific parts of your video. Use YouTube Analytics to track your growth. YouTube provides a wealth of data that can help you understand how your videos are performing and where you can improve. Look at watch time, traffic sources, and other key metrics to see what's working and what's not. This data can help you make informed decisions about your content strategy and audience demographics. Understanding who your audience is can help you create content that resonates with them and keeps them coming back for more. Finally, stay consistent and motivated. Consistency is key when it comes to growing a YouTube channel. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, make sure you're consistently uploading new content. Growing a channel takes time, but with dedication, you'll get there. It's important to stay motivated and not get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep engaging with your audience. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Remember, every successful YouTuber started where you are now. With hard work, creativity, and persistence, you can achieve your goals and turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business.